In this video, I'll go through the user level filter. So the email filters are useful to create rules for unwanted emails. So if you want to block an email, a spam, or anything, so you can just create a rule through email filters in cPanel. And how you do that is that you go to your cPanel, you type in email here, go to email section, and then you go to email filters, you click that, and for example I want to create an email filter for this email. I'll click go to um, I can go to manage filters. I'll click there, I'll click create a new filter, and I will just write filter name. For example, my can say the filter, for example, or whatever name you want to give. And then these are the rules you can set. So you can say that if it contains, if it's from a particular person, or it has a subject of this thing, or it's to reply body, you can choose the headers. You can say it's an error message or something like that, or you can just say from, and then it contains, or it equals, begins with, does not begin with, or whatever. I'll just choose contain the header, and I can just say it contains for example, um I'll say hi, just like that. So it contains something. You can choose to add, and then you can add more rules if you want. You can go to plus on the right hand side, you can say or, you can say and I can choose like is an error message, for example, or something like that. So the action, that's the rule that I've formed. So the action, it can discard, redirect to email, fail with message, stop processing, deliver to folder, pipe to a program. So I'll just say discard message, and I'll create a filter, and it has successfully created a filter. I'll go back now, and so that's my filter which I have created. I can edit that, or I can just delete it. I'll just delete it. I'll go back now, and I can just delete this, click delete and delete filter. So I've just deleted it, go back, and then I can create another new filter. If I want to, I can do one more thing. I can just test the filter. So I can just create a testing filter, and what I do is I can just go to create filter, and I'll just create another filter, create, and then I just go back, and I have uh, enter a complete email message, including headers below, to see how the system will process it with the current filters in place. This is the test message, so whatever message you want to add, and you can just test the filter to see how it will look. And then I'll just go back, okay, and I'll just delete it for now. Okay, delete the filter because I don't need it. I'm just showing it for the video sake. Okay.